Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you guys a emergency kit to take with you for kidney dialysis patients, and I wanted to show you what I keep in my bag. So just get a Ziploc, and you've got to have some masks for yourself and your own protection. So I put that inside the Ziploc. Okay. You need to have at least one pair of gloves, if not two. And these are 2x2s, and this is a 4x4. Okay, this is gauze. I'll show it to you. It'll look like this. Okay, so that you can fold it however you need to fold it to put this on your arm in case of an emergency. And this is the same thing. It's just smaller. You guys see the size? And I carry one of these inside my emergency kit too, because I've bled out before. Not bled out, but I've bled before in my car. So this is kind of like a little, I don't know what they call this in medical terms, but it kind of looks like a small or an animal's pee pad. So I just kind of keep one of those inside the bag as well. And you've got to have some tape. Okay. And you also want to bring some alcohol wipes and put those in your bag, and Band-Aids. And last but not least, Coban. This is the last step on wrapping your area. Okay, so I just wanted to bring that to you today and let you know, please carry this with you wherever you go. Make sure that you've got each one of these items, especially the 4x4s and the 2x2s, okay? It's going to make a big difference. Sometimes they come wrapped. I keep one that's wrapped just in case. And the reason why I use the Ziploc is if it gets dropped in the water, if you're going through rain or snow, wherever you're going to keep this. Hopefully you keep this somewhere in your vehicle or in your purse or your bag, whatever you travel with, and always keep it with you just in case of an emergency. Okay guys, just wanted to let you know this is what I keep with me. Have I used this before? Yes, I've had a few emergencies where my arm has bled right through the wrap that they've given me at dialysis. Sometimes I've taken off my jacket or my shirt and it ripped it off, and I thank goodness I've had one of these emergency bags with me. So carry it with you. You never know when you're going to need this for yourself or other people in your journey in life here. I mean, on the freeway, anything can happen and you would be able to help somebody out, but most of all, to help yourself stop the bleeding until you can get somewhere. Okay? You guys have a good day, and thanks for returning to my channel. Please like and subscribe. If you guys like this or want anything else that's like this, just let me know. Thanks.